Hi everyone, welcome to GMR Academy. In this video, we are going to learn articles a, an, and the. Then Violet, let's begin. Articles are basically adjectives. You know, adjectives which tell something about a noun or a pronoun. In the same way, articles tell something about a noun or a pronoun. Let's define. Articles are of two kinds. Number one, indefinite articles a and an. Number two, definite article the. Let's discuss indefinite articles. The article a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. We should remember very clearly consonant sound. We should observe sound. What sound? Consonant sound. Examples: a boy. The word begins with B. Boy. B sound. A girl. Ga sound. A pen. P sound. A doctor. D. A lawyer. La. A word which produces consonant sound, though the word begins with a vowel letter. We should use article a before them. Examples: a university. We should observe the sound word begins with U. Y sound. U. In the same way, a European. Of course, the word begins with E. Vowel E. But produces European. In the same way, a 1 rupee note. The word begins with O. Pronunciation V pronunciation. 1 rupee note. The article an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, A sounds. A sound, E sound, I sound, O sound, A sound. Vowel letter U sound A. Examples: an apple, an ant, A sound. An elephant, an eye, A sound. An island, I. An ice cream, I. An ox, O sound. An orange, O. An umbrella starts with the vowel letter U, sound A. An umbrella. In the same way, an uncle starts with U, N-C-L-E, an uncle. Pronunciation A. An uncle. A word produces vowel sound, though the word begins with a consonant letter H. Here, H is silent. Examples: an hour, an honorable man, an honest girl, an heir. You observe very clearly. An hour, H silent. An honorable man, H silent. An honest girl, H silent. An heir, H silent. Once we look at the alphabet and observe their sounds, if you find consonant sound, A should be used. If you find vowel sound, article an should be used. A. Vowel sound, an A. B. Consonant sound, a B. C. Consonant sound, a C. Like this. A D. An F. F A sound, an F. A G. An H, not H, not H sound. H A. An H. An I. A J. A K. An M, A sound, an M. An N, A sound, N. An O, a P, a Q. An R sound, an R. An S, a T, a U, U sound, a U. A V, a W. An X, a Y, a Z. Like this. An MP, a sound. An MLA, MLA. an RTC employee, RTC A sound, an RTC employee, an L bend, L A sound, an IIT student, I sound, an FBI agent, A F, but a USA citizen, U sound, consonant. So A, article A should be used. A USA citizen, a bit officer, a WB producer, a UFO, a UNESCO worker, UNESCO sound U, UNESCO worker. A or an is used before a singular countable noun means able to count the noun. Examples: he sent me a gift. How many gifts? A. One gift. A gift. He bought an ice cream. How many? An. One ice cream. An ice cream. She applied for a visa. How many? A visa. Next point. Before singular countable nouns, which refers a whole class or species in a general sense. We should remember, in a general sense. Examples: a cow gives milk, which means all cows or any cow gives milk. So in a general sense we refer cow species, so that we should use a cow gives milk. In the same way, I call a boy. Here I call any boy among these boys in the class. Many boys are there, so I call a boy among those. Next, a vehicle must be insured, which means any vehicle, or else all vehicles like car, lorry, bus, bike, etc. Any vehicle should be insured. The meaning is any means one, a vehicle. To refer entire class, we should use article a or an in a general sense. Articles a and an are used to refer quantity. Examples: I have a lot of work. How much? A lot of work. A couple of days. How many? A couple, quantity. A great deal of agreement. How much? A great deal. A great deal is quantity. A great many people. How many? A great many people. Here, many people are great. A dozen eggs. How many? A dozen or 1 dozen. So these are all the quantity. Articles a and an are used to refer numbers. Example: a 10, a 100, a 1000, a lakh, a crore, etc. with the values which are exact. Example: 1 and a half hours, 2 and a half liters, 1 and a half kilos. Here, one quantity, again a half. So we should use article a. But half a kilo, here only half a kilo. So we don't use article a before half. Like this, half an hour, half a liter. We never use article a before half here. With the values 1 by 4th, 1 by 3rd, 1 by 5th, etc. Article a is used. Example: a third, a quarter, a 1/5, like this. The values which are not exact. Example: a half holiday, a half shelf, a half share, a half portion. In expressions of price, speed, ratio, etc., articles a and an are used. Examples: rupees 5 a kilo, $10 a meter of cloth, 50 km an hour, 10 pennies a dozen, twice a day, 5 times a day. In the same way, with exclamations. Example: such a long queue, what a nice scenery. Next, before name of a person. Generally, we never use articles before name of persons. Why we use here? Let's see. Example: a Mr. Ramu, a Miss Radha, a Mistress Slater. Here, a Mr. Ramu means a man called Ramu and suggests that he is a stranger to the speaker. Without a suggests that the speaker knows Mr. Ramu or knows where he lives. Let's define the definite article the. The definite article is used before unique nouns. Examples: the earth, the sun, the moon, the sky, the stars, the equator, the space, the world, the universe. Unique nouns means one and only nouns. Before the names of holy books, the is used. Examples: the Gita, the Vedas, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, but we tell Sri Krishna's Gita, Valmiki's Ramayana. Here, no article is used. You should remember the point. Before names of trains, ships, airlines, etc. Examples: the INS Vikrant, ship name; the Titanic, ship name; the Rajdhani Express, train name; the Hindu Express, train name; the Indian Airlines, so aeroplanes; the British Airways. Article the is used before well-known buildings or statues or monuments. Monuments means a building that shows historical importance. Examples: the Taj Mahal, the Statue of Liberty, the Red Fort. It is also used before names of choirs, orchestras, pop groups, and musical instruments, etc. Examples: the school choir. Choir means group of singers. The Indian orchestra. The Beatles. Beatles means pop groups. The veena, the violin, the guitar, musical instruments. Before the names of important events, examples: the Russian Revolution, the German Revolution, the Mutiny of 1857, the Great War. Article the is used before the names of newspapers. Examples: the Hindu, the Indian Express, the Times of India, the Enadu. These are all the newspapers in India. Next point: before the ordinal numbers such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Examples: the boy sits in the first row. Some students of the second class are absent today. Could you please answer the fourth question? Next point: the definite article the is used before, same, and after both, all, and half. Examples: both the sisters belong to the same class. Here, after both, we should use definite article, and before same, we should use definite article the. All the employees applied for transfers. Here, after all, we should use definite article the. In the same way, half the basket of fruits is rotten. Here also, we should use after half the definite article the. 10th point: before superlative degrees, we should use definite article the. Examples: Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Raju is the cleverest boy in the class. Bobby is the most beautiful girl toy. Lion is the most ferocious animal. Tallest, highest, bravest, biggest. So these are all the superlative degrees. We should use definite article the before these superlative degrees. The is used before two comparative degrees in a statement and not used before only one comparative degree, which means we have three types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Before superlative degrees, we should use definite article the, and we never use definite article the before positive degree and comparative degree. Example: high positive degree, higher comparative degree, highest superlative degree. We should use the highest. We never use before positive high and also comparative higher. If two comparative degrees in a statement, we should use definite article the. Examples: the higher you go, the colder you get. Here, higher and colder are two comparative degrees in the statement. So, we should use definite article the before those two. Next example: the faster the car is, the more dangerous it is to drive. The more the students study for the test, the higher their scores will be. The more he drank, the better he felt. So here, two comparative degrees in the statements. So we should use definite article the before them. But cheetah runs faster than deer. In the statement, one comparative degree faster. So no article is used. Like this, she is more beautiful than her sister. Here also one comparative degree, more beautiful. So we never use definite article the before comparative degree if it is only one. The 12th point: before a noun that has become particular or definite as a result of being mentioned or noticed a second time, which means a noun that refers at first time, we never use definite article the before the noun. We should use only a or an indefinite article. The same noun is being mentioned a second time, we should use definite article the. Example: I gave her a book. She read the book twice. The first statement, I gave her a book. So first time mentioned, so that I use indefinite article a before the noun book. Second statement, she read the book twice. Which book she read twice? What the book I gave. So the book is being mentioned second time. So we should use particularly the definite article the book. In the same way, ask the boy whom I gave. Which boy? The boy. The boy means already I gave something to a boy. So which boy? Who to whom I gave? That boy. So second time mentioned. We should use definite article the. Next example: the place where we met. Which place? The place. Already we met, particularly mentioned. So the place, we should use definite article the. The shirt in red that I chose. What I chose, not the shirt. That red shirt means here the shirt, the red shirt. So particularly mentioned, definitely mentioned, we should use definite article the before the noun. The man with the files is my uncle. Which man is my uncle? The man with the files. The man who has the files. I particularly mentioned that man. So I use definite article before the noun man. The man with the files is my uncle. Next point: the plus adjective tells a class of people. Here, the plus adjective. Adjectives, for example, rich, young, old, poor. These are all the adjectives. That adjectives along with the. That adjectives used as noun along with the. So that refers a class of people. Example: the rich means rich people. The poor, poor people. The young people. The old people. The Hindus, Hindu people. The English people. The Telugu people. The French people. Next point: the plus Plural surname can be used to mean the family. Examples: the Reddys, which means Mr. and Mistress Reddy and their children. The Smiths, which means Mr. and Mistress Smith and their children. In the same way, the Slatters, which means Mr. and Mistress Slatter and their children. The plus singular noun can represent a class of animals or things. Examples: the whale is in danger of becoming extinct, which means the whole species of whales are in danger, not other class or species of animals. In the same way, the lion is the king of beasts, which means only the lion class is the king, not other classes or species of animals. The is used before certain proper names of rivers, seas, oceans, plural names of countries, islands, deserts, and gulfs. Examples: the Ganges River, the Pennar River, the Bay of Biscay, Celtic Sea, the Bay of Bengal, Sea, the Arabian Sea, the Lakshadweep group of islands, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Thar Desert, the Sahara Desert, the Netherlands country, the Persian Gulf, the Gulf of Mexico. Gulf means a large area of sea that is partly surrounded by land. Example: the Gulf of Mexico. Before names of directions, we should use definite article the. Examples: the east, the west, the north, the south. These are all the directions. The North Pole, north direction. The South Pole, south direction. The is omitted because before country names. The is omitted. Why? Because before country names. Examples: North America. North America is the name of a country, not the direction. South America, it's a name of a country, not the south direction. West Germany, it is a west. West Germany is a name of a country. So we never use the before these country names. But the West Indies. Why? Because West Indies is a country, but we should use definite article the because it is a group of islands. So we should use definite article the West Indies. However, the is used before east or west, etc. when these are nouns. Why? Because the north of Spain, here the direction, Spain country, the north direction. So direction comes when we use definite article the. The Middle East, eastern side direction. The west, geographical, means direction. The west, here the western countries. The west means the group of, to refer the group of western countries. In the same way, the east, east means direction here. The east, political, that means eastern countries, the group of. So we should use definite article the. And also we should compare go north, compare with. So compare go north. Here north is an adverb. The meaning is in a northerly direction. So compare with he lives in the north. Here north means the direction. So go north, we never use definite article. Why? Because it is an adverb. Here we should use definite article because here the north means the direction. The is used before the names of plateaus, chains of mountains, plains, winds, seasons, canals, certain geographical names. Examples: the Tibetan Plateau, the Deccan Plateau, the Aravalli, a mountain range, the Himalayas, chains of mountains, the monsoon, it's a season, the winter season, a east wind, wind direction, the Ararat Plain, the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Certain geographical names we should use definite article the. The Sudan, it's a geographical name. the United States. The Punjab means it's a name of a geography. The Highlands, the Deccan. In many fixed phrases, we use definite article the. Examples: early in the morning, all the same, on the one hand, on the other hand, on the way, in the way, by the way, to the utmost, all the more, all the best, to the contrary, in the long run, in the wrong, on the defensive. We are going to see position of articles, later omission of articles. Let's define. Articles are commonly used before nouns. Examples: a man, a girl, a book, an orange, the sun, the officer, a doctor, the Hindu. In these examples, articles are preceded by nouns. The sun, sun is a noun before the article is used. Articles are used before adjectives when they describe nouns. Examples: a great lady. Here, lady is a noun, is being qualified by great, an adjective. Before adjective, we should use article a. A great lady. Like this: a tall building, a beautiful girl, an imaginative idea, the famous director. Director is a noun, famous is an adjective. Before adjective, we should use article the. Articles are used before adverbs when they describe adjectives. Structure: article plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. Example: a highly inventive mind. Here, a article, highly adverb, inventive adjective, mind is a noun. Like this: an extremely rare occurrence. Occurrence noun, rare adjective, extremely adverb, and article. A very beautiful girl. Girl is a noun, beautiful adjective, very adverb, a article. Let's see omission of articles or zero articles or no articles. Number 1. No article is used before names of sports and games. Example: I like to play cricket. Cricket is a name of sport and we never use article. I like to play the cricket or a cricket is incorrect. She played golf. Like this: she played the golf or a golf is incorrect. But I played a cricket match. What match? A match. What match? A cricket match. So generally we should use a cricket match. India won the cricket series. What series? Cricket series. Which series? The cricket series in a particular way. Number 2. Zero article is used before names of meals. Lunch, breakfast, dinner, supper. Examples: lunch is our main meal of the day. Don't write the lunch, a lunch, because zero article is used. What time would you like your evening meal? Don't write a meal or the meal. I have breakfast at 8. Don't write a breakfast. They served us a good breakfast because breakfast is preceded by an adjective. Before adjectives, we use articles. We should use articles when it is a special meal. Example: she was invited to dinner at my home in a general way. He was invited to a dinner given to welcome the new ambassador. Here, he was invited to a special meal on the occasion of welcoming new ambassador. So, article is used before dinner. Number 3. No article is used before home. Here, home as an adverb. Examples: when did you get home last night? Don't use the home or a home. Get is a verb, home is an adverb. I like to stay home in the evenings. Don't use the home or a home. Stay is a verb, home is an adverb. Come on, it's time to go home. Don't use the home or else a home. But home as noun or noun phrase, we use articles. For some years, this was the home of our queen. Home is noun, so we use the article. We arrived at the bride's home. The bride's home is noun phrase, so we use article the. His children were upset when he sold the family home. Family home noun phrase, we use the article. The floods forced many people to flee their homes. Here, there is a possessive adjective, so no article is used in spite of home as a noun. A mud hut was the only home he had ever known. Number 4. Omission of article the before hospital, temple, church, mosque, prison, school, college, university, bed, and court when we go as primary purpose, and article the is used when we visit as secondary purpose. For example, if we take bed as primary purpose, to bed which means for sleeping, in bed which means for sleeping or resting. Secondary purpose of bed, we should use definite article the. Before bed, which means reading, eating, playing on it, and adjusting covers, pillows, bed sheets, etc. So we should use definite article the before bed. Example: Raju, you look so tired. Why don't you go to bed? The meaning is to bed, no article. The meaning is to sleep. My child hid some toys under the bed, not for sleeping here. So we should use definite article the under the bed. Next example, hospital. Primary purpose. To hospital or in hospital, which means to get treatment. This is the primary purpose, so no article is used before hospital. Secondary purpose, we should use definite article the before hospital. The hospital, which means to see patients or to meet somebody in the hospital. Example: grandma was admitted to hospital and I went to the hospital to see her. Here, grandma was admitted. Why? Because she wants to get treatment. So, primary purpose, no article is used. I went to the hospital to see her. For me, a secondary purpose. So, article the is used before hospital. The injured were rushed to hospital in an ambulance. Here, to hospital, no article is used. So, the injured were rushed to get hospital. Why? Because to get treatment. Next example, temple, church, mosque. What is primary purpose of temple, church and mosque? Is to pray to God. And what is the secondary purpose of temple, church, mosque? Is to meet somebody or to do some work. So here, primary purpose to pray to God, so no article is used. In secondary purpose, we should use definite article the. Examples: he visits temple on Fridays. So why he visits? Because to pray to God. So no article. Temple. He goes to church on Sundays. He goes to church on Sundays. Why? Because pray to God. He goes to mosque on Fridays. Why? Because to pray to God. This is primary purpose. No article is used. But they took photos of the bride and groom outside the church. We are hiring Kalyana Mandapam in the temple. In these two examples, the purpose is not primary, that is secondary. Why? Because not pray to God. Secondary purpose they are using, so we should use definite article the before church and before temple, the church and the temple. No article is used before court when we have primary purpose, that is to court, which means as litigants or commit crimes, etc. In court, which means as witnesses. Secondary purpose of court, we should use definite article the before court, which means for other reasons. Example, she will appear in court to produce evidence tomorrow. Court was adjourned for the weekend. If you observe these two examples, she will appear in court to produce documents or evidence tomorrow, which means here primary purpose to do something in court. So no article is used. Court was adjourned. Adjourned means to stop an official process for a period of time. So court was adjourned is primary purpose, doing something court officially for the weekend. Next example, he made a statement outside the court. Here, he made a statement outside the court means not in the court, it is not for the primary purpose. It is a secondary purpose, so we should use definite article the. An important note is the plus court. It is a phrase. It has another meaning, which means the people in a court, especially those who make the decisions, such as the judge and jury. The phrase court, which means the judge or any other higher officials in a court. For example, please tell the court what happened. Here, please tell the court meaning is please tell the judge what happened. The court will listen means the judge will listen. So tell the court what happened. The next example, the court heard how the man collapsed after being stabbed. The court means here the judge heard. So judge heard, clearly the judge heard how the man collapsed after being stabbed, after being killed or murdered. The court means here the jury or else the judge or any other higher officials in a court. The next one is prison or jail. The primary purpose of prison is to keep criminals in prison. Criminals means somebody does something crime. So we never use a definite article before prison because primary purpose. Secondary purpose. What is secondary purpose? To see prisoners, to go to visit jail or to visit prison. For what? To see prisoners or else to talk with the prisoners or else to talk with some higher officials. So this is secondary purpose. Then we should use a definite article the before prison or jail. Example, she went to prison for tax evasion. What do you mean evasion? Avoid tax, not paying the tax. And she did some crime so that she was sent to jail. So she went to prison. Don't use the. Why? Because primary purpose. She did something wrong or crime. He was sent to prison for 5 years. He is also did something wrong or else crime. So he was sent to prison, not sent to the prison. Sent to prison. Why? Because primary purpose. So the police are investigating disturbances at the prison. Why? Because the police are investigating. So they are doing some investigation about disturbances at the prison. This is a secondary purpose for police. They are not doing any crime. So they are investigating. So secondary purpose for them. So we should use definite article the prison. The next one, school. What is primary purpose of school or college or university? To teach or to learn or to study. So no article is used. What is secondary purpose of school or college or university? The secondary purpose is here to meet the teachers or else to pick up their children or to pay school fees or else hostel fees or else university fees, etc. Examples, my kids are still at school. So no article is used at school. Why? Because kids go to school For what? To study. This is primary purpose. No article is used. She teaches botany at Oxford University. So here also no article is used. Why? Because she teaches. Teaching. Primary purpose. No article is used. I am going to the school today to talk to the class teacher. So parent wants to know the child's education when she wants to talk with the class teacher. So this is the secondary purpose for the parent to go to school, not for studying, not for teaching, not for learning something. So this is the secondary purpose. Definite article the is used. The school. Yesterday, my father came to the Andhra University to pay fee. So this example also tells us father means parent went to Andhra University for what? To pay fee, not for study, not for primary purpose. This is secondary purpose. So the university. Fifth point, work and office. No article is used before work. What is meaning? Place of work is used without the. Examples, I go to work at 8 o'clock. To work, don't use to the work, is a wrong kind. He is not back from work yet. He is at work. He is hard at work on a new picture. What are the meanings? Here, at work means working. Hard at work means working hard. Next one, office. What is meaning of office? Place of work. We should use definite article the before office. Example, he is at the office. He is in the office. I have had a tough day at the office. To be in office without definite article the. What is meaning? To hold an official position, usually political. Example, she held office as a cabinet minister for 10 years. She held office without article the. The meaning is here, she held a high position, official position. Next one. The scandal cast a shadow over his time in office. The scandal means to behave legally wrong that causes public feelings of anger. So something has been done wrong when he was in a official position, when he was in a high position. The next one, to be out of office without definite article the, which means to be no longer in power. The party has been out of office for many years. The meaning is out of position, out of official position. No article is used. Has not formed a government. What is the meaning of out of office? Has not formed a government. Sixth point, let's see without a definite article the. To see. What is meaning of the phrase to see? We go to sea, which means that we are sailors. We are sailors, so we regularly go. So no article is used. At sea. We spent 3 weeks at sea. What is meaning? Which means we were on a voyage as passengers or crew. Voyage, journey. As passengers or working crew in the ship. So no article is used. Sea with a definite article the. By the sea or near the sea. He built a cottage by the sea. What is meaning? He can live by or near the sea. So we use definite article the. Number 7. In generalizations, we use no article. For example, check your shoes for spiders when you put them on. So when you wear shoes, why don't you check for spiders? For spiders means in a general way, not in a particular way. So no article is used. I am studying geography at university. So geography, branch of science, not in particular way. So no article is used. I can smell smoke. Smoke here in a general way, not in a particular way. So we use no article. I can smell smoke. Don't use the smoke. Compare these pairs of sentences. In general, no article is used, and in particular way, article the is used. Examples: flowers really brighten up a room in a general sense. The flowers you bought me are lovely. What flowers? What you bought are lovely. Definite way. So article the is used. Next examples. Industry is using computers more and more. In a general sense, the tourism industry is booming in AP. So what is booming? Especially tourism industry. So definitely particularly using. So article the is used. When he left school, he went into business with his brother. In a general way, he went into business. The business of the missing tickets hasn't been sorted out. What business? The missing of tickets. So particularly using the business. So here definite article the is used. Number 8. No article is used before proper, material and abstract nouns in a general sense. Examples. Everyone has the right to freedom of expression. Here freedom and expressions are abstract nouns. And she was longing for some peace and privacy. Peace and privacy abstract nouns. So no article is used. The rubies were set in 18-karat gold. Gold material noun. No article is used. Foods that are rich in iron. Iron is material noun. So no article is used. No article is used before proper noun. Example. Tendulkar is a famous cricketer. Here Tendulkar is proper noun. So no article is used. Next point. Someone is being compared to another one about something in a general way. We should use indefinite article a or an before proper noun. Example. Sehwag plays like a Tendulkar. Here Sehwag's play is being compared to Tendulkar's play in a general way. To refer Tendulkar's play, not to fulfill his placement. So we use article A. Next point. Someone is being compared to another one about something in a particular way, or someone who exactly fulfills another one's place. We should use definite article the before the proper noun. Example. Raju is the Tendulkar in his college cricket team. Here, how Tendulkar fulfills his place in Indian cricket team, like that Raju is the man who fulfills Tendulkar's place in his cricket team. So we use definite article the. Number 9. We often use zero article with the names of holidays, special times of the year, or with the names of months and days of the week. Examples. I prefer to spend Diwali at home. Diwali is name of festival, name of holidays, name of festivals or special times of the year. I was born in May, to refer month. They celebrated New Year's Day more than other festivals. Here, New Year's Day is celebrations, a particular day or special day. So no article is used, zero article. Observe the following statements. I'll see you on Saturday. So general way, no article is used. That means next Saturday. We met on Saturday. The meaning is last Saturday. In a general sense, name of the day. No article is used. They arrived on a Saturday as far as I can remember. Here, they arrived one day. One day means the name of the day is Saturday. I clearly remembered. The meaning is we are only interested in the day of the week, not which particular Saturday. So indefinite article a is used. See the next example. They arrived on the Saturday after my birthday party. Here a particular Saturday specifying which one. So here after my birthday party. So when celebrated very clearly the birthday party, and next Saturday exactly. So I use in a particular way to refer the day of Saturday. Definite article the is used. Point number 10. Correct and incorrect statements. Children, don't make a noise. Not noise. Article A should be used. She had a headache last night. Not headache. Article A should be used. What is the time? My watch keeps a quarter to 9, not quarter. We should use article A. He had to leave in a hurry, not hurry, in a hurry. Dear children, this is the story of formation of articles. I hope you understand the position of articles and omission of articles. I request you all to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell button for more updates. Like the video and share the video link with your friends. Thank you. Thank you all. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.